Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are making this double chocolate biscuit and I have a secret ingredient which is coconut. Guys, it's amazing. It's so good. So if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much. Just look at that. It's amazing. Come and let's do this. Right, to start, I have my flour and I add some desiccated coconut. I'll put all the measurements below in the description box for you, okay? And then I add some salt and some baking powder, and then make sure that you mix it so that it's well incorporated. And of course, I have to add my cocoa powder. All right, that's it. Yeah, so you mix it really nicely and set it aside. So next I have my butter and I'm using, as usual, if you know me, I use brown sugar a lot. And then I add some vegetable oil as well and also 1 egg, okay? As I've already told you, all will be in the description box. Make sure that you mix it so that you get this consistency, all right? So that's what I've done here. I add some vanilla extract as well, okay? Guys, this is really easy recipe and I tell you, you won't regret doing this. It's amazing. It tastes so good. So I'm mixing both the dry and the wet ingredients, as you can see here. You mix it bit by bit and make sure that it's really well done before you put that into my cling film. As you can see, it's all done here. So I'm just make sure the dough, I put that into a cling film and then wrap it nicely and then put that into the fridge or freezer for it to harden up a bit before we roll the dough. So just follow along. So guys, as you can see, I've taken it from the fridge about an hour or two. Okay, so I'm going to just roll the dough and then cut my biscuits. Okay, so just follow along. Right, as you can see, it's all done. So I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees and for about 10 to 15 minutes until how crispy you want it, okay? So right now, as you can see here, I've taken it out of the oven and I'm cooling it. So whilst cooling my biscuit, I need to add more chocolate. It's a double chocolate biscuit I'm making. So this is chocolate buttons with a bit of coconut oil. Yes, guys. And then I melt it nicely, put that into my piper, and then I'm piping it onto my biscuit. Yes, guys, you're going to love this. It is the most amazing double chocolate biscuit you will ever have with a hint of coconut. It's lovely. You are going to love this and you are going to thank me later. Try this recipe and please comment and thank me later because the texture is amazing. I'm telling you, you are going to love it. So guys, as you can see here, this is my double chocolate biscuit. It's amazing. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Just look at that. It's amazing. Don't forget to share. Bye.